Going with the take a boat, move to sea and reach Coast Guard. Reach Coast Guard post. At Coast Guard post, they would inform about the.
From here, go to Coast Guard. Because if you go there, जाने का फायदा क्या है? Okay, start.
So, sir, from healthy discussion, we have come to a common conclusion. The time right now is 5 p.m. and we need to, our aim is to reach back to the college, which is at Sarna, at 8:30. So we are right now at petrol pump, and our first priority is to take the injured person to the Chandimal hospital, and it is around 19 kilometers. And first we will give the first aid, which is available at the petrol pump, and from there the vehicle, four-wheeler vehicle, which is available at the petrol pump, will take the injured person from here to Chandimal, and it will take around 25 minutes, and 2 person will go. Now second problem is the food poisoning, which is at Dharna, at the Sarpanch house. So for that, the person who has came from restaurant on the bike will take the bike, and with the help of bike will go to the Dharna and inform the Sarpanch. And it is around 10 to 11 kilometers. 10 to 11 kilometers. So it will also take around 20 minutes to reach here. And our third priority is to stop the drug deal at Ferry Point at around 6:45 p.m. So we'll take so at Ferry Point there will be availability of many ferries. So we'll take the ferry and reach and cross the river and inform the Coast Guard, and and 2 people will go. We'll inform the Coast Guard, and Coast Guard will take care of the drug dealing. And after that, we'll also send 2 people to the restaurant and to lift up the trophy. And sir, around 7:30, everyone all the tasks will be completed, and the person who has gone to the Dhanna will come back and give the bike. And from there, from petrol pump, the vehicle their van will be fixed by 7:30. So they take the van and will reach the Sarna at around 8:15.
After the healthy discussion, the group has come to a common conclusion, and the priorities set by us are as follows. So the first priority is to give first aid to the injured ferry driver and take him to the hospital. So we would take lift from petrol pump from a four-wheeler, and two teams of 2 person each would take him to Sarna. And at the Sarna junction, a team would get off at the bridge and then head to Darna to inform the Sarpanch about the poisoning of food going to occur. And the next 2 team would take one team would take bike from the petrol pump. The man who came from fisherman village to inform us would take his bike and reach fisherman village, and other team would reach the fisherman village via taking lift. And now they would gather certain people at fisherman village and take a boat, move to sea and reach Coast Guard post. At Coast Guard post, they would inform about the drug deal, and the Coast Guard would cordon them from the east direction, and along with other fishermen, they would cross restaurant and reach lighthouse, and therefore keep a check on the drug dealers until the help from Coast Guard arrives. And after they are captured, they would reach restaurant, collect their trophies back, and reach the petrol pump where their vehicle would have been repaired, and head to Sarna. A team is already in Sarna, and the other team that is at Darna would reach Sarna directly. Thanks a lot.
All of you have written your solution. Now what has happened? How many problems were there? 4 problems. What is the first problem? Who is injured? You should be specific, because some of you have written, I'll just read it out. Some has written the injured person at ferry point. Somebody is helping injured ferry driver. Somebody has written send ferry person to hospital. Then somebody has written to save the injured. Save the injured kisko? Then bleeding ferryman. That is still okay. Now injured man at ferry point to be treated. Then injured person किसने लिखा है? Then वो provide first aid to ferryman, helping injured fisherman. Was he a fisherman? Now injured. Okay, most have written about the ferryman. but somebody has written that injured person, that should not be there. Now other problems. What was the second problem? Now you should know the time was also given. Time was not given. Now, if the time was not given, then poisoning of food at Dharna, that is still okay. Chalo, theek hai. Somebody has written stopping food poisoning, food being poisoned. कहाँ पर? Which place? Then stopping from eating poisonous food. Is it a problem? पहले तो what is your problem? You have to stop poisoning. Now next is save the सरपंच daughter. Is it a problem? मतलब सरपंच के डॉटर को पॉइजन मत खाने दो, बाकी सारे गांव वाले मरने दो चाहिए. ऐसे होता है क्या? हैं? I will not take the name. Then poison of food in a marriage at Dharna is still okay. Now conspiracy of poison at wedding is still okay, ठीक है. Then prevent food to be poisoned in marriage. Okay, now what was the third? Drug deal. Okay, now most of you have written about the drug deal, but it was the time given. So you have not written the time, you should write the time. I know you have written. So now to stop drug deal, where? कहाँ पर? Drug dealing at Lighthouse. At what time? Somebody written at around 7 p.m. Wasn't the specific time given? From where? From where? Wait. Aaj wait. Ferry Point. Which ferry? Was it from Ferry Point? Was it from Fisherman's Village? It is. You have to decide. Okay. Then prevent drug deal to be held. Where? Somebody written prevent drug deal to be held. Okay. Then एक और था कोई जो अजीब सा लिखा था. I'll just read it out. Old rivalry with Dharna Sarpanch. Was it a problem? हैं? मतलब वो कोई न्यू स्टूडेंट नहीं है, पुराना ओल्ड कस्टम्ड स्टूडेंट है जिसने लिखा है. ओके. नाउ somebody has written encounter the drug deal. हैं? ये क्या encounter the drug deal? हैं? Then catching the person who is about to poison the sarpanch. नाम नहीं बताऊंगा. इट्स रिटन कैचिंग द पर्सन हु इज अबाउट टू पॉइजन द सरपंच. मतलब वो तुमने देखा है वो एक वो नहीं, केरला साइड वाले अस्थमा मिटाने के लिए क्या डालते हैं? मच्छी डालते हैं. तो वो भी जाके उसके पॉइजन सरपंच के डालेगा और किसी के नहीं डालेगा. ठीक है. दैट शुड नॉट बी देयर. देन पॉइजन फूड एट सरपंच डॉटर्स मैरिज. ठीक है. टू इन्फॉर्म द सरपंच अबाउट पॉइजन इन फूड. ओके. लास्ट ऑल्सो somebody written, what was the last problem?
Getting back the trophy.
It was getting back the trophy. So somebody has written winning trophy at restaurant. रेस्टोरेंट में ट्रॉफी जीतेंगे भाई. ठीक है. सेकंड इज ओके गेटिंग ट्रॉफी फ्रॉम वेयर? टुक द ट्रॉफीज बैक. वो तो एक ही ट्रॉफी नहीं, वो तो और ट्रॉफी ले आया. टुक द ट्रॉफीज बैक. यू शुड बी क्लियर अबाउट द इंग्लिश विच यू आर टेलिंग. देन now brought back trophy from restaurant. If you are writing brought back trophy from restaurant, the problem ही कहाँ रहेगी? तुम तो ऑलरेडी ले आए. नाउ ब्रिंग ट्रॉफी, ब्रिंग द ट्रॉफी फ्रॉम वेयर, उससे आगे लिखो ना कहां से लाना है. देन ओके, टेक ट्रॉफी बैक, देन ट्रॉफी एट रेस्टोरेंट. मतलब क्या हुआ इसका. नाउ व्हाट यू शुड डू, whenever you write your problems are there, what you should do immediately, you should write the time, whatever time is given. Why it is important? Because once you write your solution afterwards, तुम्हें पहले ही पता है, बाद में तुम टाइम ही ढूंढते रहोगे क्या टाइम था क्या था. That thing should not be there. So it's better when you write your this thing, time, etc. Automatically your solution will be in a flow. Now coming to solutions which are there. Now first of all, what was the first problem? How injured man at ferry point.
Yes, sir.
How many ways of taking him?
Sir, we can take him by the ticket from the petrol.
Where will you take him?
Chandival.
चंडीगढ़ भी जा सकते हैं, साना
And Sarna because we will divide our group in Sarna.
Where you have to go back?
Sarna.
Huh?
Sir, but coming back from Chandival and reaching Sarna would take a lot of time, and we have to divide our group.
And also by taking one lift, we can solve two problems.
But what should be your aim? That what is the problem with the man? His head is injured, his head is bleeding. He is bleeding यार. ब्लीडिंग लिखा है, ब्लीडिंग का मतलब तुम उसको ठीक है बहने दे यार, चलने दे ऐसे थोड़ी होगा. यू शुड टेक हिम टू द क्लोजेस्ट पॉइंट विच इज देयर फर्स्ट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट अबाउट ड्रग डील? Okay, drug deal, there are certain points like from here you can go to fisherman's village, take a boat or take a ferry, go to Coast Guard, और यहाँ somebody are telling that we'll from here we'll go to fisherman village, वहाँ से फिर Coast Guard जाएंगे. So
Our villager came with a bike and petrol pump.
so if somebody, why bike was given? Because take the bike in the ferry.
Sir, मैंने तो ले गए थे मगर
और भी तो फेरी होंगी.
सर मैंने तो वो ले गए थे ना.
कौन? और भी तो बहुत हो सकती है. ओके ओके, नाउ who has taken the ferry?
सर जो पॉइजन कर रहे हैं, जो पॉइजन कर रहे हैं.
Is it given that they have not taken the ferry, it's written they have taken the boat?
सर
From here go to Coast Guard,
सबसे पास में ये.
because if you go there, जाने का फायदा क्या है? Now from here one of them can go and get the trophy also, साथ में ला सकते हैं कि नहीं? हाँ?
सर दोनों तरफ से ना, मगर इस तरफ आने की कोशिश करेंगे तो इधर से लाइट हाउस में रोक लेंगे और उधर
Okay.
जाएंगे तो काउंट
You can do things simultaneously. From here you can go and inform them in advance कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. So he might also take some action.
कुछ को तो check
Okay.
And sir, after
Now-
coming back, they will take the trophy.
अब सरना पहुंचे
Why reference of Pildi village is there?
To confuse.
No.
to confuse.
So Dharna, why to confuse? There, if you have to come from this side, you can come from here also. So these different points was because whatever thing is there, you should go logically.
Yes, sir.
Second, what will happen? That you should be first to speak. एक दो में होना चाहिए तुम्हें इनिशिएटिव लेने के लिए. Otherwise, what will happen? The problems are same. Even you will find mostly the solution भी same रहेगा. So to be ahead of the group or to take advantage, what you should do? You should be within first three to discuss. Otherwise, what will happen? Suppose तुम नहीं हो, नहीं चांस मिला तीनों का बोलने में. So what you should do? You say, friends, My solution was the problems were also same as been told by you all, by one of chest number so and so, whatever 3 persons are there. My method is of solving the problem was also same, but alternatively we can do it like this also. That you should say. Understood? फिर तुम्हें पता लगे हाँ भाई हाँ है इसमें कुछ हिसाब किताब है ऊपर का. That's why he is telling that. So as far as your group planning exercise is concerned, how many option-like qualities are there? All 15 qualities come out in group planning exercise. सारी की सारी आती हैं. So your group planning exercise is very, very important. Now, group planning exercise, and if you do well in group discussion, GTO will take you for further consideration. If you do well in either of the 3 tasks which are there, your PGT, your group discussion or group planning exercise which is there, any of the 2 tasks are there, then the GTO will take you for further. If you don't take part, then is lucky yours to come. फिर 6 महीने बाद ही आओगे ऑफिस. Understood? Any questions, anyone?
Sir,
Yes.
as it is a ferry point, so we can consider or assume that there may be availability of other ferries.
Okay. Now what happens as far as the ferry point is concerned, if you take more things, तो वो उसका कोई एडवांटेज नहीं होगा. In the sense, because ferry normally एक मुश्किल से एक ही होती है. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 हो सकती है, वो दूसरे कॉर्नर में हो सकती है.
If there would be more ferries, then they would not injure the ferryman.
One.
सर अगर और वेरी होती तो
और
सर
injured
वो लोग और लोग भी और
Okay. He has got a logic. अगर वो फेरी और होती तो इसी को इंजर क्यों करते, वो दूसरे को कर देते. और दूसरा ओके नहीं अगर दूसरी फेरी होती तो उसको बचाने वही लोग चले थे, तो तुम्हारी क्या जरूरत थी. Okay.
हमारे पास क्या था फर्स्ट एड के लिए वो
Okay.
से नहीं लेता.
उन्हीं से ले लेता. So you should go logically which is there. Any other question? Anyone?